Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java modifier. So let's get started. Modifier. So here you can see public class main array. Public is a modifier, okay, or we can call it access modifier, okay. It will tell you how much access you have, okay. Public keyword is an access modifier, meaning that it is used to set the access level for the class, attribute, methods and constructor. We divide modifier into two groups: access modifier and non-access modifier. Access modifier are those on which we have a control access level, okay. Non do not have control access level but provides other functionalities. How access modifier like public and default, okay, for classes, okay. So public, the class is accessible by any other class. All can access this public modifier, okay. Everything will be accessible under this class. And default, this is only accessible by the class in the same package, only in the same package. This is used when you do not specify any modifier. And okay, so I will tell you like how. If you have written only class and main, then it is default specifier. It can be accessible only in that current package, okay. Now we have public the here. There we were talking about only the classes. Here we are talking about the attribute, method, constructor. So the code is accessible to all the classes, okay. The code is only accessible in the same package, okay. We do not need to write this default word, okay. In private, the code is only accessible within the declared class, only where we have declared that class in that, okay, where we have declared, like we will write private class main, okay. So in that, only accessible within that class, okay. Protected, the code is accessible in the same package and subclasses, okay. Same package and subclasses, parent and child is then, so same package and subclasses, okay. Now non-accessible modifier like finally, okay. Finally cannot be inherited by other classes, okay. Finally class means we can't have its subchild, okay. So it can't be inherited by other class. Abstract, the class cannot be used to create object. So to access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class, okay. We can't create the object of abstract class, okay. Now for attribute and methods, we have so many, okay. Final attributes and method can't be overridden, okay. We can't change the value or anything inside that method, we can't change it, so can't be overridden or modified, okay. Static, attribute and method belonging to the class rather than the object. We need not to create an object to access anything, we can directly access, okay. Abstract can only be used in abstract class and can only be used on methods, okay. The method does not have a body, means how we write abstract methods like abstract void run. We do not have a body of the method, only this name we have. Body is provided by the subclass, okay. We will create one more class, which is child class, and there we will have its body, okay. Now transcend, attribute and method are skipped when serializing the object containing them, okay. Synchronous method can only be accessible by one thread at a time, Volatile, the value of an attribute is not cached thread locally and is always read from the main memory. Finally, if we do not want the ability to override existing attribute value, then we declare final. Like final value we have declared, two values we have taken, declared final means this value can't be changed. Now we are trying to change it, so it will give an error. Now you can see we tried and now we are getting its value. So it's saying can't assign a value to final pi. So it will show an error. We are trying to change its value. Okay. You can see here final word is there here, and here we have created the object. Now using the object dot x value we are trying to access, and then py. It's giving the error. Okay. Now static, without creating an object we can access. So main method and one static method, one public method we have. Here we can get this, and here for using for here you have to create the object and then we have to call this method, then it will run fine. Okay. Now abstract we have. So here we have defined an abstract class. Okay, public string fname and int age we have given, and here public abstract void. This is method declaration, how we do of abstract method. Now we have created one subclass or child class, you can see, that extends main. We are using this main. It is parent class, okay, main, and this is child class. And to access main you have to write extend and main. Okay. Now public in graduation, here we have given. Now study, body we are giving. Okay, like public void study, where studying all the day long. So now how it will be get printed. Okay, so name, then age, and then graduation year, and then studying all day. Okay, so like this it will work. But how we have called in the second.java, so we will not get now how we. So second.java we have created the object of student. Here you have this student. Okay, we have called this one, and now we are printing this 4. First we are printing this 3 things are getting printed, and then we have called this method, and this line is getting printed. So like this how it comes. So we are done with Java modifier. If you have any question, please comment. Okay, and please do like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.